Hey, what's up guys, and it happened. I finally bought the Apple AirPods Pro, which means I finally upgrade from the original AirPods after 3 long years. So I want to share my usage experience with you guys, how it's been on the AirPods Pro compared to the older AirPods. And I've not done a lot of videos on non-phone things on my channel, but AirPod is a pretty significant device in my life, I have to say. Back in 2016, when Apple started the movement of killing the headphone jack, the original AirPod helped me a lot in transitioning to the wireless world. There was just nothing out there that was so portable, so small, while still having a great sound and good battery life. So it's been 3 long years. Apple did release a AirPods 2, which looked very similar to the first generation, so I didn't feel like upgrading to that. But this is the real upgrade indeed. So it comes with a really good packaging. As usual, you get treated with some paperwork. We have some guide inside of it telling you exactly what you need to do in order to learn the new Pro of the AirPods. And Apple has included some additional tips with these so you can adjust it in your ear accordingly. Just like the iPhone 11 Pro family, we get a USB-C to Lightning cable. Pairing it with your iPhone is instant. I have to say, within seconds, all you have to do is just open the capsule lid, just press continue, and boom, that's it. So coming to my users, the AirPod Pro is definitely thicker compared to the original AirPods. It's a little bit heavier as well, but it's still very much portable, like carrying it around in your bag, purse, or your pocket. It's going to be very easy. When it comes to the AirPods themselves, they are now shorter, but they have a thicker head compared to the original AirPods. And I have to say, as far as the looks are concerned, I do like the look of the new ones because they don't look as prominent in the ears as the old ones. And for me, the onboard medium tips were really good for fitting in my ears. I had no problems running with them, moving around. It's having an all new design internally. There's a new external speaker area which lets the sound from the external environment inside. There's a brand new internal microphone, and just like any other Apple device, it's very premium. I would say more premium compared to the original AirPods. Now, the biggest feature of the AirPods Pro is the active noise cancellation. With this enabled, they significantly, and I mean significantly, sound better than the original AirPods. As soon as you enable the active noise cancellation, you can feel that all the external sound of the environment, the ambient noise, everything just goes away. I was walking around the neighborhood listening to my music, and there were cars passing by, and I couldn't hear the sound of the environment. The AirPods Pro sound gets really loud. Considering how small they are, this is definitely an amazing feature to have. If you want to hear the sound of the environment, you can enable the transparency mode, where the outer speaker lets in more sound from the environment, or if you don't want any of that, you can turn both of these features off. And in that mode, they start to sound more like the original AirPods. But for the best and the premium sound experience, I would say use the active noise cancellation mode. Now, with the original AirPods, you had the ability to double tap on the head for stopping or resuming the sound, or to launch the Siri. That is sadly gone with the Pro models, but you do get 2 buttons, one on each AirPod. So you get a button on the right and on the left. You can go into Bluetooth setting and set different controls for each function. You can press or hold the stem to cycle between the selected noise control modes. You can also configure Siri. You can also pause or play your music. Just overall, a lot more pro level controls this time. Now, coming from the original AirPods, it was a huge difference in terms of sound quality and especially the battery life. So with one consistent usage, you can actually get up to 4 hours or 5 hours of usage just on a full single charge. I personally don't listen to music that much consistently for 5 hours. If you're like me, who's gonna use these time to time, listen to music and then put them back in the case, these can actually last you 2 or even 3 days. If you are a gamer, if you want them to be consistently in use, yes, you can expect 4 to 5 hours out of them. Apple also claims that you can get about 1 hour of music playback from the AirPods Pro by just 5 minutes of charging. I have not tested that out, but honestly, battery life is great on the AirPods Pro, especially if you're using the older AirPods. And just overall, the experience was absolutely amazing. The size, the portability, the battery life, and now with active noise cancellation, listening to music is definitely more of a premium experience now. So I definitely do recommend upgrading. If you're using the original AirPods or even the AirPods 2nd generation, you can actually upgrade to these new Pro models. And I don't think you'll be disappointed. I would say wait a little and see if more deals come out, because right right now. They do cost $249 and £249 in UK. Yeah, that was my full usage experience review of the AirPods Pro after finally upgrading from the original AirPods 3 years later. For me, the difference is significant. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to the channel for daily tech videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.